The Securities and Exchange Board of India has stated that it has noticed huge fluctuation in the share price of a major company over the last 1 week and is closely monitoring the situation. While not naming the Adani Group, SEBI said it has put in place the available surveillance measures protocol to monitor such market volatility. There are indications that the central government has also started an investigation. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has started a preliminary inquiry against Adani on the allegation of stock fraud. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has responded that Reserve Bank and SEBI would take appropriate steps in the matter. The central government has initiated an inquiry against Adani Group under Section 206 of the Company Act. Documents submitted by Adani Group regarding recent transactions are being examined. The preliminary inquiry is headed by the Director General of Cooperative Affairs. Along with this is observation of SEBI. Adani Group pulls out of rupees 10 billion bond sale as stock market takes a hit due to Hindenburg report. This is the first public sale of bonds by the Adani Group. The plan was to sell bonds in collaboration with Edelweiss Financial Service Limited, AK Capital, JM Financial and Trust Capital. The Adani Group withdrew from this after the stock market suffered a setback. Adani is a close friend of Prime Minister. Therefore, everyone considered Adani as the central government's own businessman. Meanwhile, an unexpected crisis came to Adani. Adani Group was forced to abandon its rupees 2 billion follow-on public offer after the Hindenburg report came out earlier. After the report, the Adani Group suffered a huge setback in the stock market. Adani shares lost about $120 billion. Many of Adani's shares had hit the lower circuit. Earlier, NSE and BSE have imposed restrictions on Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports and Ambuja Cements, including short selling. Following this, SEBI has also responded in this regard. Earlier, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had said that the Adani controversy has not affected the image of Indian economy. The Finance Minister also said that any company abandoning FPO will not affect the Indian economy. The Finance Minister also stated that the regulatory agencies are performing their work properly. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman explains that India will not be affected by Adani Group's withdrawal or further share sale. India's financial sector is very well regulated. Nirmala Sitharaman also stated that this cannot have an impact on India's microeconomic conditions. The position of LIC and banks has been clarified in this regard. Nirmala Sitharaman said that the transactions of LIC and SBI have checked. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said the country's foreign exchange reserves have increased by 8 billion in the last 2 days amid an Adani crisis. FPOs come and go. The fluctuation occur in all markets. But how many times have FPOs been withdrawn? Withdrawal of FPO has not had any impact on economy, Finance Minister said. The Finance Minister also asked how many times FPOs have been withdrawn in the country. The minister said that it is clear that LIC and SBI have given loans on Adani within the permissible limits. RBI has released a statement on the collapse of Adani. Regulatory agencies including SEBI function independently. Nirmala Sitharaman said that the government will not interfere in this.
സമകാലീന വാർത്തകൾ ഒപ്പിയെടുത്ത് ക്യാമറയുടെ മുന്നിൽ അവതരിപ്പിക്കാനുള്ള കഴിവ് നിങ്ങൾക്കുണ്ടോ? സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയ ഈസിയായി മാനേജ് ചെയ്യുവാൻ നിങ്ങളെ കൊണ്ട് സാധിക്കുമോ? നിങ്ങൾ ചാനൽ മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് രംഗത്ത് പരിചയസമ്പന്നനാണോ? വീഡിയോ എഡിറ്റിംഗ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വശമുണ്ടോ? എങ്കിൽ ഓൺലൈൻ മാധ്യമ രംഗത്ത് ഒന്നാം സ്ഥാനത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്ന ചാനലിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്കും ഭാഗമാകാം. റിപ്പോർട്ടർ, വീഡിയോ എഡിറ്റർ, സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയ മാനേജ്മെന്റ്, മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് എക്സിക്യൂട്ടീവ് എന്നീ ഒഴിവുകളിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങൾക്കും അപേക്ഷകൾ അയച്ചു തുടങ്ങാം. അപേക്ഷകൾ അയക്കുന്ന രീതി ഇത്രമാത്രം. നിങ്ങളുടെ പേരും കോൺടാക്ട് നമ്പറും ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു റെസ്യൂമെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഇമെയിൽ ഐഡിയായ hr@thecrimeonline.com ലേക്ക് അയക്കുക. അയക്കേണ്ട അവസാന തീയതി February 12, 2023.